Hello student, today's our topic is a very interesting story from DAB class 3 English reader book. The name of the story is The God of River. So we will read the story with its meaning in Hindi. But before that, let us note down the word meanings. Word meanings. Number 1, cottage, झोपड़ी. Number 2, whenever, जब भी. Number 3, garbage, कूड़ा. Number 4, threw, फेंक दिया. Number 5, flew, बहना. Number 6, collected, इकट्ठा करना. Number 7, daily routine, रोज का काम. Number 8, dirty, गंदा. Number 9, smelly, बदबूदार. Number 10, bothered, परेशान हो जाना. Number 11, crown, ताज. Number 12, come out, बाहर आना. Number 13, scared, डरा हुआ. Number 14, took courage, हिम्मत करना. Number 15, polluting, मैला करना. Number 16, chemicals, रासायनिक वस्तुएं. Number 17, disease, बीमारी. Number 18, guilty, दोषी. Number 19, experience, अनुभव. Number 20, information, जानकारी. Number 21, डोमेस्टिक वेस्ट, घरेलू कचरा. Number 22, इंडस्ट्रियल वेस्ट, औद्योगिक कचरा. Number 23, पीट, गड्ढा. Number 24, मैन्योर, खाद, फर्टिलाइज़र. Number 25, डग, खोदना. Number 26, इंस्टेड ऑफ, की बजाय. So let's come to the text. The God of River. Once there was a small village called Dhampur. Kishan, a farmer, lived with his family in a small cottage in the village. एक समय की बात है, धमपुर नाम का एक छोटा सा गांव हुआ करता था. किशन, जो कि एक फार्मर था, वो अपने परिवार के साथ इस गांव के एक छोटे से घर में रहता था. He had a son, रमेश. रमेश was 11 years old. उसका एक बेटा था जिसका नाम था रमेश. रमेश 11 साल का था. Kishan went to the fields for farming and Ramesh went to a school near the village. Whenever Ramesh's mother cleaned the house, she told him to collect the garbage and throw it away. किशन अपने खेतों में खेती करने चला जाता था और रमेश गांव के पास के एक स्कूल में जाता था. जब भी रमेश की माँ घर सफा करती तो रमेश को सारा कूड़ा इकट्ठा करके बाहर फेंकने के लिए बोलती. He collected the garbage and threw it into the river that flowed near their cottage. This was his daily routine. Many other families also did the same. The place where people threw the garbage became very dirty and smelly, but nobody bothered. वो कूड़ा इकट्ठा करता और इस कूड़े को उन लोगों के घर के पास से बहने वाली नदी में डाल देता. यही उसका रोज का काम था. और भी बहुत सारे परिवार ऐसा ही किया करते थे. लोग जिधर कूड़ा फेंकते थे वो जगह गंदी और बदबूदार हो चुकी थी, लेकिन किसी को इससे मतलब नहीं था. One day, when Ramesh was about to throw the garbage, he saw someone wearing a golden crown come out of the river. He was tall and fair and held a golden pot full of water in his hand, but he looked very sad. Ramesh felt scared, but he soon took courage and asked the person who he was and why he was so sad. एक दिन जब रमेश कूड़ा फेंकने ही वाला था, उसने किसी को नदी से बाहर आते देखा जो सोने की मुकुट पहने हुए था. वो लंबा और सुंदर था और उनके हाथ में एक सोना का पात्र था जो पानी से भरा हुआ था, लेकिन वो काफ़ी दुखी लग रहे थे. रमेश डर गया, लेकिन उसने तुरंत साहस बटोरा और उस इंसान से पूछा कि वो कौन है और वो क्यों दुखी है. The person said slowly, I am the god of water. I have been living in this river for many years. I am sad because you are always throwing garbage into my water and polluting it. This river has now become very dirty. What do you mean by polluting water? asked रमेश. उस इंसान ने धीरे से कहा, मैं जल देवता हूँ. मैं बहुत सालों से इस नदी में रहता हूँ. मैं दुखी हूँ क्योंकि तुम हमेशा मेरे पानी में कचरा डाल के इसको प्रदूषित करते हो. अब ये नदी बहुत गंदी हो चुकी है. पानी गंदा करना मतलब आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं? रमेश ने पूछा. The water god said, when you throw garbage into the water, it gets dirty. This garbage contains chemicals and plastics which are very harmful for the fish. It has germs too. If someone drinks this water, he or she may catch diseases like typhoid and jaundice. जल देवता ने कहा कि तुम जब कचरा मेरे पानी में डालते हो तो ये पानी गंदा हो जाता है। इस कचरे में केमिकल्स और प्लास्टिक्स होते हैं जो मछलियों के लिए काफ़ी हानिकारक हैं। इसमें कीटाणु भी होते हैं। अगर कोई ये पानी पीता है तो उसे कई तरह की बीमारियां जैसे टाइफाइड और जॉन्डिस हो सकती है। रमेश वॉज सरप्राइज टू नो ऑल दिस। ही फेल्ट गिल्टी फॉर पॉल्यूटिंग द रिवर सो मच। He took his garbage and went back to his home. रमेश ये सब जान के आश्चर्यचकित था। वो नदी को इतना ज़्यादा दूषित करने के लिए अपने आप को दोषी मान रहा था। उसने अपना कचरा लिया और घर वापस लौट आया। Next day, Ramesh went to his school and shared his experience with his friends and his teacher. The teacher gave him more information about water pollution. दूसरे दिन रमेश स्कूल गया और वहाँ पे ये सारी बातें उसने अपने दोस्तों और शिक्षकों को बताई। शिक्षकों ने जल दूषण के बारे में उसे और भी कई बात बताई। द टीचर सेड, "We throw domestic and industrial waste, flowers and so many other things into the river. These things pollute our rivers and make them dirty." शिक्षकों ने कहा, हम घर का, कारखाना का कचरा, फूल और बहुत सारी चीज़ें पानी में फेंक देते हैं। ये सारी चीज़ें हमारी नदी को प्रदूषित और गंदा करती हैं। Where should I throw the garbage then? asked Ramesh. The teacher replied, "Dig a pit outside your house and put all the garbage into the pit. When the pit is full, cover it with leaves." तब हम कचरा कहाँ फेंकें? रमेश ने पूछा। शिक्षक ने उत्तर दिया कि तुम्हारे घर के बाहर एक गड्ढा खोदो और सारे कचरे को इस गड्ढे में डालो। जब ये गड्ढा भर जाए तो इसको पत्ते से ढक दो। लीव इट फॉर अ फ्यू डेज। द गार्बेज विल टर्न इनटू मैन्योर। योर फादर कैन यूज द मैन्योर इन हिज फील्ड। रमेश वॉज वेरी हैप्पी एट द आइडिया। हिज फादर डग अ pit the same day and they started throwing the garbage into the pit instead of throwing it into the river. को ऐसे ही थोड़े दिन के लिए छोड़ दो। ये कचरा खाद में बदल जाएगा। तुम्हारे पापा इस खाद को अपने खेतों में यूज़ कर सकते हैं। रमेश ये तरकीब सुन के बहुत खुश हुआ। उसी दिन उसके पापा ने एक गड्ढा खोदा और वो नदी के बजाय अब उस गड्ढे में कचरा फेंकने लगे। The story is completed. I think you like the story. Is it or not? Okay. So if you like it, then don't forget to like and share the video. And if till now you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it so that आपको मेरे हर आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिलती रहे। And now we will do the exercise. A1. Some situations are given below. What would you do in these situations? Discuss with your partner before you tick your choice. Number 1. You are sitting on the bank of a river. You have a toffee wrapper in your hand. You would throw it in the river, throw it in the dustbin kept at some distance, and the third option is put it in your pocket. So the right option is throw it in the dustbin kept at some distance. Number 2. You are eating an orange at home. You throw the pips and peels. The options are near the bed, in the dustbin kept in the kitchen, in the drain near your house. And the right option is in the dustbin kept in the kitchen. Number 3. You are sharpening a pencil in the classroom. You will throw the pencil chips. The options are in the dustbin kept in the class, throw them under the desk, and keep them in your box to be thrown in the dustbin later. And the right answer is keep them in your box to be thrown in the dustbin later. बच्चों नंबर 1 ऑप्शन भी राइट ऑप्शन हो सकता था, लेकिन हर एक बच्चा अगर पेंसिल शार्प करने के बाद उसको डस्टबिन में फेंकने जाएगा तो क्लासेस स्मूथली नहीं हो पाएगी। इसलिए क्या करना है, जब भी पेंसिल को आप शार्प करें तो उसको पेंसिल बॉक्स में जमा करके रखें। उसके बाद जब क्लासेस ख़त्म हो जाए तब आप उसको जाके डस्टबिन में डाल दें। A2 is the story itself. So we will do A3. Write T for true and F for false statements. Rewrite the false statements correctly. Number 1. Ramesh was 13 years old. It is false. And the correct answer will be Ramesh was 11 years old. Number 2. Ramesh always threw the garbage in the dustbin. It is false. And the correct statement will be Ramesh always threw the garbage into river. Number 3. The place where garbage was thrown became dirty. Yes, this is true. Ramesh saw a woman wearing a silver crown coming out of the river. This is false. Ramesh saw a man wearing a golden crown coming out. Number 5. The person who came out of the river was very happy. This is false. And the answer is the right statement is the person who came out of the river was very sad. Number 6. The water of the river had become dirty because of a factory. It is false. The water of the river had become dirty because of throwing garbage by village people. Number 7. The teacher advised Ramesh to throw garbage into the river. False. The correct statement is the teacher advised Ramesh to throw the garbage into a pit. A4. Answer the questions briefly. Number 1. What was Ramesh's daily routine? Answer. Ramesh's daily routine was to collect the household garbage and then throw it into the river that flowed near their cottage. Number 2. How did the god of water look? Answer is the god of river was tall and fair and held a golden pot full of water in his hand, and he looked very sad. Question number 3. Why was the god of water sad? And the answer is the god of water was sad because Ramesh and many other families always threw garbage into his water and polluting it. Question number 4. What might happen to a person who drinks dirty water? And the answer is if a person drinks dirty water, he or she may catch diseases like typhoid and jaundice. A5. A three-letter word is hidden in all the words below. Work with your partner and underline all those words. In some cases, you may be able to find more than one word. The first one has been done as an example. Number 1. Farmer. And the hidden word is arm. Number 2. Village. And the hidden word is age. Number 3. Flowers. And the hidden word is low. Number 4. About. And the hidden word is out. Number 5. Golden. And the hidden word is den. Number 6. Water. And the hidden word is at, the past tense of eat. Number 7. Ears. And the hidden word is ears or ear. Number 8. Disease. The hidden word is see, or it may be EASE, is also. Number 9. Start. The hidden word is art. Number 10. Instead. And the hidden word is TED. A6. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box below. Smelly, scared, pollute, bother, instead, surprise. Number 1. Dust and smoke dash the air. Answer is pollute the air. Number 2. I can carry the suitcase myself. Please don't bother. Number 3. Mother said she wanted to give me a dash surprise. So answer is surprise. Number 4. Your socks are dirty and smelly. Answer is smelly. Why don't you change them? Number 5. You should take juice dash of Coke or Pepsi instead of Coke or Pepsi. Number 6. It was dark outside, but the child did not feel dash scared. A7. Life skills. How do we all knowingly or unknowingly contribute to water pollution? How can children help in curbing water pollution? इसका मतलब जाने अनजाने हम लोग कैसे वाटर पॉल्यूशन में योगदान देते हैं और कैसे बच्चे वाटर पॉल्यूशन को कम करने में मदद कर सकते हैं. आंसर इज वी ऑल नोइंगली और अननोइंगली contribute to water pollution by using too much of plastic that are dumped into water bodies. with proper amount of knowledge of how to prevent water pollution and the effects of water pollution, children can help in curbing water pollution. Day 8. The teacher solves Ramesh's problem by suggesting to him the correct way of garbage disposal. Ramesh recollects the instructions to convey them to his father. Help him in doing so. Number 1. Dig a pit outside the house. Number 2. Put the dash garbage into it. Number 3. Cover the pit with leaves. Number 4. Leave the pit for a few days. Number 5. The garbage will turn into manure. Number 6. Use the manure in the fields. Now frame a set of instructions for sowing a sapling. You may use the words given below. Dig, pit, ground. Remove soil. Place sapling. Cover soil. Water sapling. Protect hot sun, birds, animals. So the first instruction is dig a pit in the ground. Second one is remove the soil from the pit. Third one is place the sapling into the soil. Number 4 is cover the roots with the soil. Number 5 is water the sapling regularly. Number 6 is protect the sapling from hot sun, birds and animals. A9. Read the given poster carefully. Use dustbin. Do not throw garbage into the rivers. Do not throw garbage on the roads. Prepare a similar poster on water pollution. And here's the poster. बच्चों, हमने इस वीडियो में पूरे चैप्टर की फुल एक्सप्लेनेशन और होल एक्सरसाइज को कंप्लीट किया है. तो आई थिंक दिस विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. So share it, like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that I can be motivated to make more and more videos. So bye बच्चों, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.